Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a powerful hair growth detangler for your hair with two products that actually promote hair growth. So this detangler will help you to grow your hair, and it will also help you to remove some shady hair, tangles, snags, so that you prevent any breakage or damage to your hair. So if you're new on my channel, you are so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So these are easy herbs that we can actually access wherever you may be, and they are cost effective. So we are going to use some clove and linseed. So these are powerful ingredients, and I've done quite a number of videos on different detanglers. So we will start with some clove. Clove will promote hair growth because it contains eugenol. When applied to the scalp, this compound contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for your scalp. Eugenol also has certain androgenic properties, thus it can slow down the effects of androgens on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth in people suffering from androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. Clove adds shine, and it will also prevent premature graying of hair due to its high eugenol content. Clove will also keep hair loss because hair loss is one of the most hair-related complaints in the world. Almost 50% of the global population is suffering from excessive hair loss. So when you lose your hair faster than your scalp can grow them, it can result in hair thinning, receding hairline, and bald patches. Then another herb we have used is flaxseed. So flaxseed or linseed are rich source of micronutrients, fiber, manganese, and essential fatty acid omega-3. The golden and brown seeds have similar profiles. Flaxseed is created by boiling, then straining the flaxseed beside nourishing flaxseed leaves hair soft, shine, moisturized, along with giving curls more definition. So, when it comes to detangling, we always go for mucilage. So I decided to go with some linseed today because of the mucilage which is in it. So mucilage is a gelaceous substance. It's a viscous soluble fiber that is produced from certain plants. Upon contact with water, the substance will increase in volume and maintain a large layer of moisture in the plant. And mucilage is one of the ingredients that makes a product slippery. So we love slippery products because they help to reduce tension with unrevealing tangles, snags, and knots. So we've put it on. We've added actually boiling water, 100 grams of boiling water, and we put it on fire, and then we'll stir it, before putting it on fire. So I wanted the process to be so quick because we don't want to kill the nutrients when we put it on fire. So it has started boiling. It boiled for 20 minutes. As you can see, like the gelaceous, substance is coming up on top, as you can see. So subscribe to our channel, comment in the section below, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you will be notified. So at this point, we've removed it from the fire, and that is the slime that we are talking about, the mucilage plus the clove to promote hair growth. So this is a powerful combination. So if you're trying to grow out your hair, make sure that you are detangling your hair, friends, to remove any snags and knots and to prevent damage. So I first started by using a strainer, but it didn't work because the consistent was quite thick and it was unable to pass through the strainer. So at this point, you have an option whether to use a cheesecloth or a knee high. So I went for a knee high, as you can see, then poured in the content in there. And at this point, like, the content was quite hot. So make sure that you wait until your content is cold, and then you can proceed to strain it using a cheesecloth or a knee high. As you can see, like, it came out very perfect, and I love the color of clove, which will actually promote hair growth. So make sure that you remove the knee high so that you don't spill any content. Be gentle and be patient. So now I'm going to press so that we can remove the gelaceous content. Powerful detangler. So subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below and share this video. So I decided to press using a spoon because at this point it was quite hot. It was quite hot, friends. So I continued until it was cold. Then I pressed to remove more of the detangler. So of course I've done quite a number of videos on detanglers. Like I use different kinds of herbs, and sometimes I do use conditioners or water and all. I'm going to link all the videos in the description box below so that we can check them out. So what I do is I do my pre-shampoo, then do detangle my hair. So at this point I've done a pre-shampoo overnight so that the oil can penetrate. No, now it's that time to use our detangler. So friends, like make sure that you don't miss detangling your hair. So I'd put on a scarf and a plastic under there when we went to bed so that the oil couldn't, drip on our beddings. This is important, and let the oil penetrate for longer hours to work wonders on your hair. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. I'm going to show you exactly what I do and the amount of shady hair that came out. So if you're trying to grow out your 4C hair, this is a step that you don't need to miss. And one thing I loved about the detangler is that it wasn't like all over. It worked so well, and there were no like it wasn't pouring like over all places. So I love the consistent, and I loved how it detangled our hair. So like I always work in sections, so it's been actually 2 weeks of not detangling my hair, because my routine is every 2 weeks. So I make sure that I follow up with every step, friends, as I'm trying to grow out my 4C natural hair. So I section the hair in smaller sections, then I proceed, detangling like so. So you need to exercise some patience, and you have to make sure that you have enough time for you to detangle your hair. This is not something you can do in a hurry, because you end up losing hair. So as you can see, some shady hair are coming out and some tangles. So I'll continue detangling in sections. You can even use a comb, but I usually do detangle my hair using my hands. One of these days I might try a wide tooth comb. Yes, so comment in the section below what kind of tools you use for detangling your hair. Like, hair sheds every day, like 100 to 50 strands, so you don't have to be worried unless if your hair is coming out in chunks. So once I'm done, I'll braid that section, then move on to another section. I'll continue doing the same, friends. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So at this point we are done. So that is how much is left, just a little. That's the reason why I didn't want to preserve it, because I knew that this was little actually. So that's the amount of hair we have shed. It's not much actually, as you can see. So like this detangler worked wonders, friends. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.